So here we have the Ford Fiesta Z-Tech EcoBoost nav on a 17 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through a few controls on the inside. But from the outside you'll see it's a 3-door car with alloy wheels. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. So as we approach the boot, you'll see that we've got plenty of boot space, along with that 60-40 split folding rear seat to increase it should you need to. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car now, and then I'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of the car, you can see that it's in lovely condition the whole way around. Looks really good in white as well. Just briefly before I climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. As you can see, the condition of the seats is as good as new. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, so we're going to start with the dials. On the left hand side is the rev counter and the right hand side the speedometer. You can see the fuel gauge in the middle at the bottom, and then above that the total miles for this car, which are 4,726. You can change information that's displayed there by pushing the button on the end of the indicator stalk for various different bits of fuel economy info all the way back round to the beginning. If we back out to the steering wheel, on the left hand side here we've got stereo controls as well as voice activation for the phone. So hit that button in the middle, ask it to dial any one of your contacts list, and it will do that for you without you having to take your phone out of your pocket or bag. That is of course once you paired the phone, which is done using the stereo system and screen directly above that. So before we come back to that, you'll see that this car's got FM radio. Every push of the radio button down on the main unit will show us a different band, so DAB as well as AM as well. So there you go, AM, FM and DAB digital radio. This car's also got Bluetooth audio and a USB input, so you can connect a device up via USB, listen to music that way, or stream your music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio as well. And on top of that, as you can just about see here, it's got a CD player. This car also has satellite navigation. That is accessed by pushing this button here and then using these buttons as directional buttons and the OK button to navigate your way around the satellite navigation screen. There's a video on exactly how that works on our website and on our Facebook page, which is well worth checking out. We've then got air conditioning beneath that, so fan speed is adjustable over here, direction of the air in the middle, temperature over on the far side here, and then to turn the air conditioning on, just simply push that button. When the light is on, the air conditioning is on, and push the same button to turn it off again. You can recirculate the air that's in the car should you wish to. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly. And this car has got a heated front screen, as well as the heated rear screen, of course. Just beneath that, we have this button. So this is for the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out in traffic to save you fuel. If you would rather not have that system turned on, press that button and that will turn the system off for you. We then have a 5-speed manual gearbox, and lastly a 12-volt charging socket and the USB input that I mentioned a moment ago for connecting a music device. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.